In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Monday.com experience by adding and customizing widgets. Whether you're brand new to Monday.com or looking to maximize your dashboard's potential, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can make the most out of this powerful tool. To begin, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to your dashboard. If you're a new user and haven't fully set up your dashboard yet, don't worry. This process is straightforward and designed to make your workflow as efficient as possible. Once you're on your dashboard, keep an eye out for the option to add a widget. You should see a button labeled Add Widget, or if you're fresh on the scene with a brand new dashboard, there might be a more prominent option in the center of the screen inviting you to add your first widget. Click this option to open up a new world of possibilities for your dashboard. With the menu open, you'll see a variety of widget options to choose from. This menu allows you to select the type of widget that best suits your needs. You might be staring at a busy dashboard and wonder which of these would work best for you. The beauty of widgets is their ability to provide you with instant insights and streamline your information in a visually appealing way. Perhaps you're looking to visualize data trends over time. In this case, the chart widget is an excellent choice. It can display various types of graphs, such as bar or line charts, helping you to easily digest complex data. If you're focused on keeping track of specific metrics, you might opt for the numbers widget, ideal for quick at-a-glance stats that matter most to your projects. Do you find a battery icon appealing? The battery widget serves as a creative visual representation of progress towards a goal, often used for task completion tracking. If timelines and project milestones are critical to your workflow, then look no further than the Gantt widget. This widget lets you plot tasks over time on a calendar, giving you and your team a comprehensive view of project timelines. Alternatively, if you're dealing with lots of visual media, the Files Gallery widget can display images or documents in a neat, accessible format. For those intrigued by integrating external apps, the Apps section offers plenty to explore, and clicking on More Widgets at the bottom of the menu unlocks even broader options to customize your dashboard to your heart's content. By choosing the right combination of widgets, you're well on your way to creating a dynamic and personalized workspace that caters specifically to your needs. Take your time to explore each widget's functionalities and have fun playing around with different setups. There's a vast array of options available, and a little experimentation can yield surprising benefits to your productivity and efficiency on Monday.com. Happy customizing. Happy